Upon completion of categorizing your layers, you can then use the build takeoff surface command. The build takeoff surface command will look at any of the layers that are categorized and will build a finished design and an original design surface. So you can see here that it's created this finished design surface and this original design surface. And if you have any site improvements added, it will also build a finished design with subgrade-adjusted surface. So now you can see here I have these three surfaces. If we turn off each one, you can see that it's built an original ground surface, which came from my original ground contours. It's built a finished design surface, which is from my finished design contours in this case, as well as I've assigned site improvements. And in those site improvements, you can see here it's built a subgrade surface using the thicknesses of my site improvements that I've assigned to these areas.